Sir Links-A-Lot is a Chrome extension that provides the easiest way to share Google Docs, Sheets, Slides, or drawings. With just a couple clicks, you can share files with 4 different types of links. Let's first look at the 4 types of links to give you a better idea of why you might want to use them. When someone clicks on a force copy link, they are brought to a page like this, where they have to make a copy of the file before they can view it. The copied file is owned by the user and placed in their Google Drive. A preview link brings people to a much cleaner, reader-friendly view of your file without any menus or toolbars. Template links are like a combination of a preview link and a force copy link. You get the cleaned up view of the file with a button that allows users to make a copy of the file with one click. PDF links automatically download your file as a PDF when they're clicked. You don't even need to convert your document to a PDF before sharing. Before you get started, you'll need to add the Sir Links-A-Lot extension to Chrome. To do that, search for Sir Links-A-Lot and look for a link to the Chrome Web Store. Now, just click Add to Chrome and wait for it to install. The extension should show up here once it's installed. If not, click on this extensions icon. Scroll down to Sir Links-A-Lot and click here to pin it to your browser. So here's a file that I want to share. First, I'll make sure that my file is shareable with anyone. To do that, we'll click on Share, come down here to Change, click Anyone with the link, and click Done. Now, just click the Sir Links-A-Lot icon and select how you wish to share your file. For example, I'll click Template, and you can now see that I have a template link. Just click Copy Link to Clipboard and paste it wherever you want to share it.